Hello and welcome to the class of GSM Identifiers. So today in this class we are going to discuss about various identifiers which are used in GSM technology. So let's start with the very first. So we have MSISDN. MSISDN stands for Mobile Subscriber Integrated Service Digital Number. Now this MSISDN is basically our contact number. Now what this contact number composes of? It composes of CC plus NVN, where NVN stands for National Valid Number. This National Valid Number is of 10 digits. Now what it contains? It contains MCC, that means composition of this NVN, CC is here. First of all, this one is country code. Now this NVN consists of MAC ID, HLR ID and serial number. Suppose this is of 10 digit. So first 2 digit will represent our MAC ID, then third digit will represent HLR ID and last 5 digit will be serial number. Suppose there is one contact number plus 91 which is of India, 9915531200. So this will be complete MSISDN. So this will be country code. This complete number will be national valid number, out of which 2 digit, this will be MSC ID. Then these will be HLR ID and this is a serial number. Now this number will represent that the person who has been allocated with this serial number is registered under this HLR of this MSC. So whenever in a call flow, MSC performs the digital analysis, so it forms HLR and MSC from which it can find out the location of the user. So this is about the very first identifier which is used in GSM and it is MSISDN. Next identifier we have IMSI. IMSI stands for International Mobile Subscriber Identity. IMSI stands for International Mobile Subscriber Identity. Now this IMSI number is of 15 digit. This number is of 15 digit number. Now what it 15 digit contains? It contains MCC plus MNC plus MSIN. Now on a SIM card pamphlet we have both numbers written like MSISDN and we have IMSI. So this both numbers are there on a SIM card. MCC stands for Mobile Country Code, MNC as Mobile Network Code, MSIN as Mobile Subscriber, this one as International Number. Now as per the composition, that first 3 digit will be of MCC, then we have 2 digit of MNC and then we have 10 digit from MSIN. Like India has MCC 404 and 405. These are the mobile country code for India. Mobile network code is as per the operator. And this 10 digit, this is as per the users as their permutation combination that we can make from 999, so on. So this is a 15-digit number. Now for all authentication and a verification process, we require IMSI number, not MSISDN, and it is there in the SIM card, which is subscriber identity module. So MSISDN and IMSI. Now we have next as TMSI. TMSI stands for Temporary Mobile Subscriber Identity. Temporary Mobile Subscriber Identity. Now this number is used to keep secrecy of IMSI, because when a user is moving from one cell to another cell, we have to avoid the secrecy. We have to keep the secrecy of IMSI. So this will be number to be changed as TMSI number. Now TMSI, we can say that this is a temporary number. IMSI is a permanent number. MSISDN is again a permanent number. Now this one is a temporary number. When we change our location from one cell to another cell, so we require TMSI number. One TMSI allocated. When we change, another. We change, another. So that's why it is a temporary number. So we have MSRN, which stands for Mobile Subscriber Roaming Number. Now this mobile subscriber roaming number is again a temporary number. So whenever, like we have MSC1 and MSC2, now user wants to call another location, so we require roaming for that purpose. So in that case is whenever MSC1 requires to make a connection with MSC2 or another, so there is an exchange of MSRN roaming number, and when the signaling process is completed, MSRN will be exchanged or released. That means MSRN is required so that we can make a connection between two MSCs, so that we can have the roaming possible. So in today's class, we have covered up 4 identifiers: MSISDN, IMSI, TMSI and MSRN. We will continue with next identifiers in our next class. Thank you so much.